and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa police team reaches Delhi to probe into Tejpal sexual assault case. Records statement of Shoma Chaudry. Girl decides to cooperate with Goa police. Politics hits up on Kaitu's Portuguese nationality issue. Opponents demand his disqualification. Kaitu calls it political vendetta. BJP backs Kaitu. Kaitu can challenge decision of Union Home Ministry in High Court. His opponents too can approach the court challenging his MLA-ship. Report on the legal options. Novenas of St. Francis Xavier from Sunday. Prudent brings to you novenas live for 10 days till 3rd December. And ESG decides to hold its own film festival. Vishnu Bagh announces Asian Film Festival in February 2014. Now, news in detail. Goa police interrogated managing editor of Tehelka, Shoma Chaudry, on Saturday. Police will grill editor-in-chief of Tehelka and other concerned reporters in connection with the sexual assault case. Team of Goa police is stationed at Delhi. Police inquired in detail about the relations between Tehelka editor and the victim girl. Meanwhile, police have acquired CCTV footage of the hotel lobby. Police say there were no CCTVs in the elevator where the incident took place.
Goa police team landed in Delhi on Saturday to investigate sexual assault case involving Tehelka editor Tarun Tejpal. Crime branch is investigating the case. The latest updates available by late Saturday evening are: Special team of crime branch lands in Delhi. DYSP Sami Tawaris, PI Sunita Sawant lead the team. Team conducts investigation in Tehelka office. Records statements of Shoma Chaudry. Tries to gain important information on relation between Tarun and victim girl. Goa police have seized CCTV footage from hotel lobby, but there are no CCTVs in elevators of the hotel where incident took place.
Dedicated team has left for New Delhi. The team has also reached Delhi. As per standard protocol in this investigation, what is supposed to be done, that will be done by the investigating team. We have been able to formally obtain the CCTV footage from the venue. That is again being examined because the technical details and the technical logistics required for the analysis of those footage is also a bit complicated. We are trying to get into touch with the concerned agencies also who are going to assist us, but we have formally received it from the hotel. As of now, the hotel authorities have told us that they do not have specific camera inside the elevator. We are getting the detailed layout of cameras in the hotel officially from the hotel, and a detailed analysis will be carried out as per the requirement of the investigation.
Victim girl has assured full cooperation to the Goa police during investigation. Goa police have lodged a FIR against Tarun Tejpal. Charges of rape and molestation are levelled against Tarun Tejpal. Meanwhile, Shoma Chaudry too has assured her full assistance to police. Shoma Chaudry said the news that she would not cooperate with police until a complaint is lodged by victim girl is totally wrong. Shoma also informed that she has already handed over email copies and other important documents to the police.
The state initiating a case with which I will of course cooperate, and I have been cooperating, and the information in the media is wrong. And yesterday I have already sent the information the police needs, and I had sent a mail earlier in the morning to them that I will be sending stuff. If I am accused of destruction of evidence, which is not the case, as again and again I'm telling you the public record will show, it will play itself out, the law will take its course.
Tarun Tejpal might face arrest anytime from now. Similarly, Shoma Chaudry might face legal action for not sharing the first-hand information of the incident to the police at first instance. Bureau Report, Prudent.
BJP has stood by Kaito Silva, who is at present facing threat of disqualification. Valanka Alemao says it's a victory of truth, while Kaito Silva terms the whole episode to be politically motivated. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has cleared that he has not received any letter from Union Home Ministry regarding Kaito Silva's Portuguese citizenship.
Reactions are pouring in on Kaito Silva's Portuguese nationality issue. Kaito ceases to be Indian citizen from 21st July 2010. Valanka Alemao says it's a victory of truth.
How can anybody say it is, politicization or everything? It is, I am a lawyer. I know what I am fighting for. It's a settled law. Citizenship Act 1955, Section 9(2). It clearly says, quote unquote, that if you voluntarily acquire a foreign citizenship, the very same day you cease to be an Indian citizen.
Kaito Silva says it's a political move by his opponents.
I am a person they were supposed to serve a notice. They did serve me. They did serve the Goa government. We checked with them. As per the law, it is nothing. I have a faith on this thing, our jurisdiction. I have no doubt in that. But this is made under political law, these things. It is the Congress government in Delhi. Churchill Alemao family. They are very good in propaganda.
Churchill Alemao and Vijay Sardesa have also reacted sharply.
हरलेसांनी पुर्तुगेज एक बोट येतना हे बीजेपीन इतले पेपराचे हे दिले बोवाळ केलो की पुर्तुगेज बोट घेना काय लोकांचे दाणाय आनी होच बीजेपी सरकार मध्ये पुर्तुगेज दोग आमदार घेवन सरकार चलयता सामकें ऑफेन्स इज द मर्डर ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी मुखार म्हणटा कितें एज पर द लॉ आतां तेगेले आमी गोंडदार बरें मेळटले गोंडदारान नाजाल्यार स्पिकरान ताका भायर उडोवपाक
शेकड्यांनी गोंयकारांनी ही फॅसिलिटी घेतिल्ली आहा. जे गोंयकार आज इलेसांवाक उबे रावंक सोदनात तांचो फुडार कितें हो इशू सरकारान रिटरायज करपाची गरज आहा ताकतिकेन विथ अटमोस्ट अर्जन्सी कित्याक देर इज अ फियर देर इज अ स्केर अमंग्स गोवन्स and I think the government should look at this issue apolitically without trying to defend two of its MLAs who are already out, and now people are saying that two have already been proven, more are in the pipeline.
But BJP has decided to stand by Kaito Silva in his tough times.
Mere transcription of the birth of a Goan born before 1961 and he is following two generations only is being politicized and being converted into nationality. Bharatiya Janata Party and the government will stand behind Kaito in this fight for justice.
Congress leader Chella Kumar has demanded disqualification of Kaito Silva.
The ministry will not, hastily they have not taken the decision. They have gone through all the aspects, they have gone through the details of the subject. It took more than 1.5 years. They have taken this decision now. How can a Portuguese citizen to be a member of the assembly in Goa? He can't be a member of the assembly.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister has informed that he has not received any letter from Union Home Ministry.
I have not received any letter.
With Bureau Input, Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
Prudent tried to explore the legal and political possibilities in GBP MLA Kaito Silva's disqualification issue. Legal experts say Kaito can challenge the decision and get some relief from High Court or Supreme Court. Valanka Alemao can use this decision by the prescribed authority as a piece of evidence in her election petition. Governor and President come into picture only if it is a pre-election disqualification.
But Kaito has options of challenging the decision before the Goa bench of the Bombay High Court. He may challenge it before Delhi High Court, or he may file a petition in the Supreme Court. These are Kaito's options. As far as any citizen of the country, of the state, I would say they would have option of moving the High Court or the Supreme Court questioning Kaitu's very functioning as MLA and seeking a restraint order on him from functioning as an MLA. The moment he is declared to be a foreign citizen, he cannot be an MLA and he cannot be also in the voters list. But somebody has to decide. Now, in my view, this decision has to be taken by the High Court or the Supreme Court as and when the matter comes up before it upon a petition filed by some citizen. Insofar as the election petition already filed by Valanka, she can always use this decision by the prescribed authority as a piece of evidence in her election petition. Politically, until it is said that the seat is vacant, he will function as an MLA till a restraint order is put on him by the High Court or the Supreme Court. He will function as an MLA. The governor has already decided in the matter of tick law, after consulting the election commission, that a pre-election disqualification, governor is not the authority. A pre-election disqualification, the governor and the president and the governor, as the case may be, does not have jurisdiction. It is only when a post-election disqualification comes, the governor or the president comes into picture.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.